two standards. Life is a warfare between two standards. The standard of Christ and the standard of Satan. It is a warfare older than the world, for it began with the revolt of the angels. It is a warfare wide as the world, for it rages in every nation, in every city, in the heart of every man. Satan desires to make all men come under his standards, and to this end lures them with riches, honors, and power, all that ministers to the lust and pride of man. Christ, on the contrary, invites all to fight under his standards. But he offers no worldly honorment, only himself, only Jesus, only the Son of Man, born an outcast, raised in poverty, rejected as a teacher, betrayed by a friend, crucified as a criminal, and therefore his followers must be ready to suffer what he suffered. Poverty, persecution, betrayal, and at times even death. But Jesus, the Son of Man, is also Jesus, the Son of God, and therefore his followers must be ready, shall not be confounded forever. They are certain of ultimate victory. Against them the gates of hell cannot prevail. The powers of darkness shall splinter before the splendid battalions. Battle-scarred, battle-standing, they shall enter to glory with Christ their King. Two armies, two standards, two generals, and to every man there comes that imperious cry of command. Choose Christ or Satan. Choose sanctity or sin. Choose heaven or hell. And in the choice that we make is sum up the life of every man.